2. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, Jooba people? Today we're doing stacks in standard tuning. I have recorded a video using the original tuning that he does. It's capo, I think, on 7th fret, around there, and in open D tuning. So you can go check that out. The link for that video will be in the description. But this is really nice, you know, to be able to play the song in standard tuning. And I've chosen some very peculiar chord shapes. I know it doesn't sound exactly like the original. Obviously, it's not that high, but the key's the same, and it sounds really cool, and it's very easy to play. So way easier than tuning your guitar. I mean, the original's easy. It's just a schlep to tune your guitar to there. All right, so we're gonna jump right in with the chord shapes. Now these are standard chord shapes in open, standard, like my indie guitar chord shapes that I use a lot in a lot of videos, with some unique kind of things here. So let's jump right in. Let's just zoom in here to the first line of chords. So we're going to start with our 5 chord, which is a D add 911/A chord. We're just going to call it a D add 11 chord because that's the most prominent note there. So it's like a C over G shape, but you just move it up 2 frets. So you get this very nice, you know, really angelic kind of D chord, which is very nice to use. It works really nice in the key of G, which is the key of the song. So then we go to G chord, which I don't even bother putting the finger down there because you want to kind of stick to the bass strings here. And then we go to G and the C over E. Some hammer-ons there with the C. The C over E chord is very nice. It's got that nice E in the bass, which gives it a very unique sound. And then you can sometimes go back to the D. And those are the main chords that he uses. A minor 7 with the E in the bass if you want to. Alright, the second line of chords is the E minor 7 comes in the chorus. And stacks. And then this C is the one I like to use in the chorus, which you can sometimes take off your index finger to get that. Alright, and then the last 2 chords, G and C/G, is what he uses in the tags between the parts. Okay. It's a very common folk chord move. I really like it. Okay, strumming, we're gonna do the classic bass down, up, down, up, bass, down, up, down, up, bass. So that alternates with bass, up, down, bass, up, down, up. Whenever I do the bass, I do it with my thumb, and I do the up strums with kind of the index finger, and the down strums kind of like you're holding a pick and strumming. So bass, up, down, up. can also do this song with picking like this. Which also works quite nice. All right, now the main progression I put down here is the intro chord progression, and then but everything is here in the PDF. Let me go over to this view. Hey, there we go. And yeah, we'll go over. Let's start with the intro chord progression. Okay, so the intro chord progression, just to understand the way I write things down, it's kind of borrowing from the Nashville number system. If you underline two chords, it means they share a bar. So this is 4 beats, and then this will be 2 beats and 2 beats, right? Because these ones share a bar. So it's going to be D, 2, 3, 4, and then G, 2, C, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that make sense? Let me play the first line. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third line, G, C, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This my excavation to days gone. Everything that happens is from now. This is pouring rain. This is paralyzed. Instrumental. G, G, C, G. I'll keep throwing it down too. I went too early there. 200 at a time. It's hard to find it when you it. When your money's gone and you're drunk as hell. Then instrumental again. On your back with your racks is the stacks of yellow. Oh, let's zoom out there. 1, 2, 3. On your back with your racks is the stacks of yellow. Back in the racks and the stacks of yellow. Back with your racks and the stack in yellow. I've been twisted to the sun. I'm needed to replace. You know, sometimes I feel the C over E gets a little monotonous, and I like to replace it with replace on the word replace. Haha, it's with an A minor 7. But basically, yeah, very lazy song. Take it easy, take it lazy. Post in your in the create channel in the community, and let me know, you know, how you're playing it. I would love to watch a video of you playing it, and then I can comment on it. Cheers, have a nice day.